Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome to new session. In this session, we are going to discuss about voltage comparator. Till now, we have been seeing so many comparators like inverting comparator, non-inverting comparator, how the behavior of those comparators, and how the output waveform behaves like that. We have been seen. So in this circuit, we are going to see about voltage comparator circuit with the help of how it is going to be comparison. You can clearly notice that by seeing itself the comparison. Okay, there is a small correction in the circuit, so okay, it is not connected to ground, so we should connect it to ground. Okay, so and from this you will be having an input which is connected to ground. Okay, this is ground. This is like merged. When we taken all these together, it is merged, so don't think it is wrong. Okay, so like that. So how the comparison happens, we'll see with a truth table. Okay, what is the V naught? Okay, comparison is nothing but based on the input and output voltages, whether which part is high, then only it will be allowing. So okay, I am taking 12 volts here and the same 12 volts here. What is the output? Whether LED is on or off, it will be off condition. If it means both the voltages are equal, so in that case there is no voltage. I am considering this is 10 volts and this is 12 volts. It is in on position. This is the V2, nothing but positive non-inverting configuration. It is negative configuration. If I take this as 12 volts and this as 10 volts, this is in off condition. Why? Because our positive voltage is more than negative voltage. So what output we will get? V naught is equals to V2 minus V1. Correct, right? So in such a case, if you are having negative voltage, then it is not going to be shown as the output. So to understand better, this is the AC configuration circuit. Don't think that we will be explain both this also. The circuit is the AC configuration. When we look into the, so we'll go to multisim software and we'll execute this. So here you can see this is a voltage comparator circuit having two voltages V2. This is V2 and this is V1. So we will be having two voltages and we will comparing these two voltages according to that whether the LED blinking or not. So V2, V1, V2 is greater than V1. Then only we will get it's like blinking, right? So you can clearly once again you will notice here itself. So it is blinking. So when I kept both voltages will be one will be greater than, if I kept what equal, what will happen? It's not blinking, right? It is in off state. You can clearly notice here itself. And what happen if I kept my negative voltage more? In such a case also, it is in off position because it is in negative voltage. So V2 minus V1, right? So in such a case, my output is not getting. And also, we are clearly notice here in the like functions, like you will observe, right? LED. One is one row and one column. It's like one column is blinking at a time and other column will be other time. It's like a way. So you can clearly observe. Even in this case, what will happen means you can clearly notice that one voltage should be greater, whether it will be inverting or non-inverting, but it should not be equal. Why? Because when you kept this one, when you kept a negative non-inverting more, then it is in forward bias, in it is in reverse bias. So during first half cycle it will be glow, in a second half cycle it will glow. Whereas you kept it in opposite manner. In inverting mode, if you kept this one, then it is in forward bias, it is in reverse bias. In such a case, both will glow. But if you kept both are equal, then it will be correctly matched, right? So in that case, they will not match. So you can clearly observe. I have been taken X. This is the function generator too. It means this one. Inverting configuration I kept to 10 volts. Non-inverting I kept 12 volts. Then what will be the output? So you can clearly observe. LED in this way only, like the LED glows in the like functions or any festival, some lot, some images, right? You can see in so many images like blinking in this way. So what will happen if I kept both the voltages are equal? You can also notice, right? You are showing only one voltage, remaining you can do that also I will only show. So you can see only it is in reverse bias and negative voltage, right? So it will only blink, only one only blinking. So what will happen if I kept this one more and this one less? In the previous session only we did, right? So you can see in this way the LED blinking in the function halls, so many ceremonies, especially you will observe in the marriage functions, right? In this arrangement, you so to incorporate or to make this one in this way, they will going to arrange the LEDs such that the set of arrangements are connected in parallel mode and they will be arranged by keeping one itself and all remainings are connected parallel to this one. They will make this arrangement. So this is how for this session. If you have any doubts, please comment. And thank you for watching.